Hello students, I am Daneshwari Chigrawar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video, I am covering section formula and real life examples based on section formula. First example is Brothers on Staircase and second is Tom and Jerry Chase. Now let's look at first example. Brothers on Staircase. Let's say there are two brothers on staircase trying to meet each other. So this brother is climbing up, so he is slow, and this brother is coming down, he is fast. When this brother takes 2 steps, this brother comes down by 3 steps. Okay, at one point they will meet. We need to find that point. Let's look at this example mathematically. I am quickly drawing Cartesian plane, positioning these brothers here. Say the position of this brother is A, 3, 5. Position of this brother is point B, 8, 15. And the line joining this AB is nothing but staircase. At one point they will meet. Let's say this is point P, X, Y. We need to find this point. Okay, so AP is nothing but distance traveled by this brother. So it is 2x. BP is nothing but distance traveled by this brother. So it is 3x. This much information we have. Let's find out this point, meeting point. How will we solve this? Using section formula. Here what I have done, I have simply moved this line AB like this. Section formula says coordinates of the point P, if it divides the line segment joining points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2 in the ratio m is to n internally, then point P is m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. Same for the y coordinate. M into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. So these are the coordinates of point P. Let's simply put these numbers here and we'll get the point P coordinates. See, our x1, y1 is 3, 5. x2, y2 is 8, 15. M is to n ratio is nothing but 2 is to 3, right? So m is 2, n is 3. Let's solve this. See, m into x2, 2 into 8 plus 3 into 3 divided by m plus n. So it's 2 plus 3. Same for the y coordinate. 2 into 15 plus 3 into 5 divided by 2 plus 3. Easy, right? Now let's solve this. 2 into 8, 16 plus 9 divided by 5. 30 plus 15 divided by 5. This is nothing but 25 divided by 5 is 5. 30 plus 15, 45 by 5 is 9. So this point P is 5, 9. See, this is the example of when the point P divides the line segment internally. Now let's look at external division. Now let's look at Tom and Jerry Chase example. This is Tom, this is Jerry. When they see each other, Jerry tries to run away and Tom tries to chase him. Speed of Tom is 3 times of Jerry's speed. So we need to find at what point Tom will catch Jerry. Let's look at this example mathematically. Let's say position of Tom is point A, 1, 4 and position of Jerry is point B, 3, 8. So let's say at point P, Tom catches Jerry. So we need to find point P coordinates. See, distance travelled by Tom is AP. So AP is nothing but this distance. AP is 3x and distance travelled by Jerry is BP. This distance is x. So we need to find point P coordinates. Using section formula, coordinates of point P, which divides the line segment joining point A x1 y1 and point B x2 y2 in the ratio m:n externally is this: mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus 1. Same for y coordinate, m by2 minus n y1 upon m minus n. See, here point P is outside of AB. So P divides line segment AB externally. In my previous example, P was dividing AB internally. So there was plus 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 in the formula. And here, if P is dividing the line segment externally, then we will get minus 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 sign. Let's put this number here and find out point P coordinates. See, m is to n is 3x is to x. That is nothing but 3 is to 1. So, using this formula, 3 into 3 minus 1 into 1 upon 3 minus 1. Similarly for y coordinate, 3 into 8 minus 1 into 4 divided by 3 minus 1. If we solve this, we will get answer 3 into 3 9 minus 1 upon 2, 24 minus 4 upon 2. This is nothing but 8 by 2, 20 by 2. Answer is 4, 10. Position of point P is 4, 10. This is the answer. Thank you students. Hope you like this video and understood the concept.